Dear friends, namaste all. In the form of short videos, let us try to explore how to work with stormwater management model software, which is an open software. In this particular video, let me try to explain how to install this software in your computer. Open the browser in the search engine, just key SWMM. Go to the relevant website. You can see the installation sheets for 32-bit machine and 64-bit machine. My system is 64-bit machine. I'm just trying to download. It's already downloaded. Just double click on this, on the setup. A pop-up window will appear. Just say yes. Another pop-up window will come suggesting us the path for installation. The software is going to install in C programming files in my computer. If you want to alter the path, you can do it. But I'm going to install here. Click on the next button. Next, directly click on the install button. That's it. Within no time, it will get installed in your machine. In the next series of videos, let us try to learn how to work with one tutorial model, which is already given in the help of this software. Thank you very much.